Hello everyone. Today we are going to download and install VS Code in our computer. At first open your browser. I will just open Google Chrome and type here VS Code download, then enter. And after this VS Code click on the first link VS Code and choose your operating system. If you have Mac, choose your Mac, and Linux, you will choose Linux. I have Windows, then I will choose Windows. Then download the VS Code automatically started, and it takes some time for downloading. uh, this file size is 90.4 MB. Then after this download, open your download folder, then open this VS Code user setup. Then tick mark on I accept the agreement, and then click on next, and tick the create a desktop icon, then create on then click on next, then install. Our VS Code started install in our computer. It takes some time for installing this. Here our VS Code will be successfully installed. Then click on finish. And then after install our VS Code, then open this VS Code, double click on it. Here is our open this VS Code, and then here is your folder. Then open your already exist in your computer. Open your folder, add folder to workspace, then click on choose your folder. I just like to JS folder on my desktop, then add on. Here click on here is my JS folder. Create any files in your VS Code, click on this new tab, new file, then click type your file name, just like main.html. Here is HTML file will be open. Then click on this, type your HTML code, or here run your program. I just like hello 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 to you. Control S here, and how to run your uh, HTML code. Go to your extension, and here type live live type live extension. This is the live server. Then install this live server. I already installed this, and run this. Click on right click on here and open with live server. Click on live server and allow yes. Here is my HTML output in this types. Thank you everyone.